For those who are looking at becoming a concierge, I'd say go for it. You need to be able to keep a cool head, and you need to have a sense of humour about things. Missing bags happen, people miss their connections, it happens, delays happen. What matters is the way you communicate with people, and I think communication is probably one of the most important skills you can bring to this position.
Everyone always asks, what's the typical day of a concierge, and I don't think there is one. Every single flight and every single passenger has a different need, and you have to learn to adapt and to cater to that need.
The concierge team is a close-knit team. We went through around 6 weeks of training, everything from grooming and computers to emergency procedures. So we've sort of seen each other right through. So we're a close-knit team, and it's good to know that you can pick up the phone if you're not sure of how to handle a situation, and it's likely someone within our group will know.
Since coming on board as an Air New Zealander, I've been really impressed with the dedication that Air New Zealand has to opening opportunities up to their employees and ensuring that they're engaged in their work.
It's nice to know that I can be anywhere in the world with any situation and I'll get some help from someone. I'm not on my own out there, and that's what's really important to know.
The events that I've been a part of have really been something really special, and I know that in my previous role I wouldn't have had those opportunities.
I've been to San Francisco about 8 times now, so it's probably my favourite. But I've been across to Alcatraz, I've been over to Sausalito, I've stood on the Golden Gate Bridge, that was pretty exciting. In Vancouver I've seen bears on Grass Mountain, I've been on the Capilano Bridge. The shopping and all the destinations is really good. LA's brilliant, I've been to Hollywood, I've seen the Walk of Fame, I've seen the Hollywood Hills for real. So the destinations are fantastic, and it's exciting to get there, and it's part of my job.
I've been an airline concierge for now 4 months. I came from a flying background, so I was a onboard customer service manager for Qantas short haul in New Zealand. The last 4 months has been an amazing roller coaster ride. Coming from a flying background, I think you bring the service element. You're always able to initiate a conversation with the passenger, and you have an understanding of what their needs generally are on an aircraft and in that environment. You have to be prepared to go outside the square and think of new and innovative ways of initiating that customer experience. I think the ability to initiate conversation and communication with your passengers has to be the most important skill that you can bring to this role. It is all about making a connection with passengers, and how you initiate that can change every day and on every flight.
The most rewarding part of the role is when you're farewelling passengers at the end of the flight, and they come up and they give you a hug or they shake your hand and they're, "Bye Vanessa, have a great time." And I know where they're going and what they're up to, and I've made a bit of a difference in what their next step is. That's kind of cool.
Since I started the role in 4 months, I've been given many opportunities that I probably wouldn't have got in my previous role. I've gone to Trends, which is a tourism event held this year. It was in Rotorua. It was a fantastic opportunity to meet the greater tourism community. It was great to just make those contacts, and also to see what other airlines offer as well. When you look at other airlines' products, to go back to your own and know that we've got something really special that we offer. Becoming a concierge is a great career move. It opens you up to so many areas in the business. It's a constant learning process, and I think it will be that as long as the role exists.